Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. The refrigerator evaporator heat probe kit includes the heat probe, a metal drain insert, a mounting screw, and optional evaporator cover insulation strips. Before you begin the installation, unplug the appliance's power cord. In order to access the evaporator, you will need to remove all of the shelving and drawers. Be aware, you may also need to remove shelf or drawer support rails. Depending on the model, you may also need to remove the ice maker, ice auger drive assembly, or other components before you can uninstall the evaporator cover. Detach any screw hole plugs. Then unthread the screws securing the evaporator cover. Fully remove the cover. Remove any insulation as well. Now detach the evaporator and defrost heater, if applicable, and move the components away from the rear panel. This will allow you to uninstall the drain pan. Unthread the screws to release the drain pan. If your model uses a nylon drain insert, you will need to remove it from the pan or drain hole. If necessary, defrost the drain and clear any debris from the drain hole. Now realign the drain pan and secure it with the screws. If applicable to your model, place the provided metal drain insert into the drain hole flush with the pan. Reposition the evaporator and the defrost heater as required. Next, place the new heat probe over the heater so the probe extends down into the drain. Thread the mounting screw to secure so the probe makes good contact with the surface of the heater. Your next step is to reinstall the evaporator cover. Depending on your model, you may be able to align the provided insulation strips on the side and bottom of the cover to help prevent frost buildup. Replace any additional insulation as required. Then fully reposition the evaporator cover. Rethread the screws to secure. Snap in the screw hole plugs if applicable. Reinstall the ice auger drive motor assembly, the ice maker, and any other necessary components. Replace the shelf or drawer support rails as required, along with the drawers and shelving. With the reassembly complete, plug the power cord back in, and your appliance should be ready for use.